In this video we will be talking about how to trick your brain to do hard things. One of the most powerful books to read is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. It will literally change your life. Your subconscious mind controls your entire life and everything you do. Whether you choose to agree or not is up to you. The good thing is that your subconscious mind can and will bring you anything you want if you use it the right way. Regardless of how big or small your goal is, your subconscious mind has no limits. Your subconscious mind, it's there to listen to your instructions and whatever you repeat over and over. Repeating something continuously buries it deep in your subconscious mind. The deeper it's buried, the more your conscious mind begins to accept it as true. Once your conscious mind accepts it as true, your goal manifests very quickly. One of the most important thing to learn is achieving your goal before actually doing so. You must believe you already have what you want. Again, your subconscious mind only listens to and follows the exact instructions you give it. If you say you want to build muscle, your subconscious mind hears that you want something you don't have. So, as long as you keep telling it you want something, it'll keep showing you ways to keep getting it. The right way to repeat the message would be, "I feel good now that I am gaining a lot of muscle very fast." You're telling your subconscious mind that you already have it. Did you not notice something? The words feel good. This is a secret from the world's most successful people. Here's how and why it works. Your subconscious mind has a very limited vocabulary. It responds very well to specific emotional words and becomes more receptive to feel-good instructions. In The Secret, they mention mixing your thoughts with emotion, but leave out how to trigger the emotions. When you start a thought with "I feel good," you fool your subconscious mind into feeling good. You play this amazing trick and force it to begin working 24 hours a day to immediately manifest your goal. But remember, this only happens once it accepts the thought as true. This doesn't happen overnight. You must repeat the thought over and over and over and over. Don't forget the magical words "feel good." Sitting there and repeating "I am gaining a lot of muscle very fast" makes it hard to mix positive emotion with it. It's hard to believe something when you know deep inside that it's not true. You don't feel good about lying to yourself and unconsciously resist your goal from manifesting. Your subconscious mind knows that your conscious mind desires to feel good. Only a few people know this, and it's powerful. You need to decide on one goal, not 2 or 3 goals. Your mind delivers the best results when it's focused on one thought. Once you decide on your goal, write it down by hand. For example, "I feel good now that I have gained muscle." You're going to write it down 10 times every morning upon waking up and 10 times before going to sleep at night. Your subconscious mind is most receptive at these times. Your subconscious mind will take these instructions and get to work. It'll begin making you aware of things you didn't notice before, as well as provide you ideas and thoughts on ways to achieve your goal. I promise that it's that easy. Out of every 15 people who will watch this video, 11 will think it's cool, 3 will consider it, and only 1 will actually apply what they learned. Be the one. Get clear on what you want and write it down every day until it manifests. As long as you don't stop writing it down, it'll come into your life. It has no choice but to do so. Thanks for watching.